Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to become an affiliate on Ticketswap. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Ticketswap application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Ticketswap? Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type ticketswap.com and that's going to take you into the official website for Ticketswap. Once you get into the website, just follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. And after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Ticketswap. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to become an affiliate on Ticketswap. From this homepage, I'd like you to scroll all the way down till you find this menu. Follow us. On the menu, you have Home, How It Works, About Us, Magazine, Jobs, Become a Partner, Become an Affiliate. So go ahead and click on Become an Affiliate and it takes you right into this window. Help your visitors buy and sell tickets and commission. As a Ticketswap affiliate, you can connect visitors to more than 2.5 million tickets across 40,000 events globally, and with events across music, theater, comedy, sports, and attractions, there's a ticket for everyone. So go ahead and click on Become an Affiliate. Now you have a form to fill out. Fill out the form and our affiliate team will get in touch with you ASAP, and that's as soon as possible. So enter your full name, your email, and website, then apply to be an affiliate. Let's say his name is going to be Amanda Mack, and all right. And the website, apply to be an affiliate. So that has been sent to Ticketswap. So the next thing that you need to do is to open the email that you added there. Once you open the email that you added there, you're going to see a message from Ticketswap letting you know if you have been accepted or not. But this is pretty much how you can become an affiliate or apply to be an affiliate on Ticketswap. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.